I'm gonna say boom, 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 boom. Alrighty, we have the Lookout Racing hoodies coming. Look out, look out. What's up with it, man? Y'all ready? Oh yeah, Cole? Oh yeah? Let me see what they talking about over here. Ooh! Hey! You on my YouTube channel? Got it. Huh? You on my YouTube channel? Lookout Racing. Okay, bet. I was just making sure. Y'all believe in these bands? Hey, which one to go with? Why a Banshee so fast? You know, man. Why is a Banshee so fast? What they do different? Everything. Everything. Look out, y'all on my YouTube channel. Y'all on, you on there? There you go right there. Lookout Racing, man. Y'all, you on there too? Okay, he on there. What about you? I ain't seen you before. You back there? You look new too. At my YouTube channel, tell your uncle them, T.O. Yeah, tell your uncle, man. And suscríbete on YouTube and dale me gusta. Yeah, dale me a like. I need you to dale. Yeah. Yeah, OnlyFans too, and YouTube, TikTok and everything. I'm on everything. That mud, it was doing good, but mid-turbo, it seemed like he was just hollering. He might need a converter or something. Oh, he leaking. Hey. Well, that's something.